all of these people who say, I'm just going to go start my own business. It's like, great. Okay, explain to me what that looks like. And they say, well, I'm going to work by myself. I'm going to this, and I'm going to keep all the profits. It's like, right, but you have a job. You don't have a business. And what's the result of that if something happens to you? You can't take care of your family. So what do you have to do? You have to build amenities into that so you can. So, all right, I need short-term and long-term disability. I need key person insurance. I need business income loss. I need, by the time you pay for all that, now you're making the same amount of money as somebody who had a business would make with all the stress and all the frustration, right? Because you're having to like work much harder to get that small little glimmer of money. So, I mean, I don't think that business owners are well enough prepared for that environment and for that thing. And you know, you don't know the challenges you're going to face until you have to face them.
Right.
But once you face those challenges, you look back and say, oh man, I was not as prepared as I should have been. I did not have things set up as well as I should have had them set up.